In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can view all of your completed tasks in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, select one of your projects. I have this project open, for example. Now, as you can see, all of my tasks is currently shown. But what if I want only the completed task to show? What we're going to do is go to our filter right here. Then on the search bar, click on status, is, and then select the option of closed. Close also means completed. So as you can see, now I only have three tasks which are completed. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.